Hey guys, this is Fun with Brittany. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Amazon baby registry box. If you would like to find out how I got my free baby boxes, please see the description box below and you will find a video where I basically detail everything that I had to do to get each of the baby boxes, whether I had to pay for shipping, and whether there was a certain spend amount or how many items I had to add to my registry from each brand to get the boxes. So today I'm really excited. I've waited a long time to open my baby boxes. I am 26 weeks now. It feels like it's time and I'm excited to show you guys too. So again, go ahead and click the link below to see what you can do to get your free baby boxes too. I'm going to go ahead and open the Amazon baby box for you today so you can see what's in it. Please, if you haven't yet, go down below and click the little bell to be notified when I create new videos. Okay. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the first thing I see is that it's actually in a little bag in here. So that's adorable. Look. How cute. If you have gotten free baby stuff before, you know that a lot of things in the boxes are travel sizes. And I just wanted to kind of add that that's not really so bad because it's really nice having tiny little portable items to put inside of the baby bag. So that's kind of perfect anyway. That's totally okay with me because I'm happy to put them inside my baby bag and have little to-goes already. We do a lot of traveling and I know I'm going to be going back and forth to my parents' house a lot. So it will be kind of nice to have little baby sizes of everything without having to go and buy stuff, because I can just buy the full size of whatever products that I want to have, and buying sample sizes is actually really annoying and expensive too. So I think it's really great that, that they gave some samples. I'll start. Looks like the first thing is Huggies Little Snugglers. Cute. Oh, and this is actually, gosh, this is kind of a big sample. This is the Dreft laundry detergent. So I'm actually glad that I got a sample of this. I know that it doesn't work for some people, so that will definitely be nice to try before I buy it. They gave some little ads here. One is Kubo AI. I guess this is for a baby monitor. That I am not so interested in because I'm only interested in baby monitors that do not connect to the internet. It says, "We hope you enjoy this special delivery, compliments of Amazon Baby Registry. Shop favorites from your welcome box at amazon.com/welcomebox." If you want to buy full sizes of any of the stuff I have in the welcome box here, I am going to go ahead and link you to my Amazon page below where I am an Amazon associate, and if you click my link, it gives me commission, but it doesn't cost you anything extra and it really helps. So thank you so much for shopping from my Amazon link. I know that a lot of you guys do and I really appreciate that. Okay, this is called Upspring Milk Flow, and it is a breastfeeding supplement with electrolytes, and it is berry flavored. It says it's to promote healthy breast milk supply. So this is cute. It says it's gluten-free, doesn't have GMOs. That's nice. Oh, awesome. So this is just a little set of water wipes. This will be nice to keep in my bag. It's 10 wipes. Oh, Baby Bum, how cute. So this is the Sun Bum brand for babies. And it looks like this is called coconut balm. This is like for either the mom or the baby. Then a cute little Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. It says it's for face and body. Little travel sample of Aquifer healing ointment for babies. What is this? Simple Joys by Carter's. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh, how cute. It's a bodysuit. So I don't know if you guys can see, this is so cute. It has lions and turtles and rhinoceroses, and it says that it is for 3 to 6 months. That is so cute. That is, honestly, that's a really nice free gift to get in a baby box, so I'm happy with that. And it looks like there's something else in here. Oh, cute. This is a 3-piece set. And it is a hat, gloves, and socks. So super cute. Check out my other video below where I talk about how you can get all the free baby boxes, whether you have to buy something, whether you have to pay for shipping, as well as how many items have to be on your registry. I've watched a lot of videos that basically say the socks and the gloves do not stay on and they just fall off. And that's why I got a Little Wanderers baby box too, so you can definitely see that. I will link the video below of what was in my Little Wanderers baby box. And this is really cute. Little socks. These are the little gloves. A cute little hat. So these will actually be perfect. I'm having my baby around November, so they're going to be a little Christmas baby. And yeah, I think this green will be really cute. Okay, it looks like this is our last item, the Dr. Brown's Natural Flow Anti-Colic Bottle. That is supposed to prevent them from spitting up. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Cute. Let me know if you liked this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this baby box. I thought that, yeah, I mean, this stuff was free. I love it. I think it's so cute. I think it is a really nice thing for companies to do, to send a little gift, and then you have an incentive to buy from them later. I use Amazon for everything, and like I said before, I'm also an Amazon influencer, so anytime that you click my link before you shop on Amazon, it gives me credit, and I really appreciate that. It helps me a lot. And yeah, I love being an Amazon influencer and recommending products that I'm already using. Go ahead down in the comments and let me know what you thought of this video, and if you like the free gifts that they sent me. Let me know if you're going to try this too.